wildfire rages out of control, every second counts. That's where the CL415 EAF Super Scooper comes in, a firefighting aircraft capable of filling 1,621 gallons or 6,140 liters of water in just 12 seconds. This aerial powerhouse scoops up water directly from lakes, rivers, or reservoirs, making rapid drops to suppress flames without wasting precious time. It's more than just a flying boat. It's a modernized version of the classic CL215, now equipped with Pratt & Whitney turboprop engines. With a cruise speed of 207 miles per hour and a range of 1,508 miles, the Super Scooper can quickly reach wildfire zones across vast distances, saving critical time when responding to fires in remote locations. However, what sets this aircraft apart is its amphibious design, which allows it to take off and land on both water and land. This unique ability makes it incredibly versatile, capable of reaching fires in areas with limited access or difficult terrain. In addition to its impressive water scooping ability, it features an upgraded firebombing system with foam injection capabilities, ensuring that each drop of water is more effective at extinguishing flames. With a modern glass cockpit and Electronic Flight Information System, EFIS, pilots have complete control, making operations smoother and more accurate. Equipped with winglets and finlets, the aircraft benefits from improved aerodynamics, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency and stability during flight. The CL415 EAF represents the future of aerial firefighting, combining speed, power, and versatility to fight fires like never before. Tag someone who would love to see this Super Scooper in action.